Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley here, and we've got a fun craft to do today. It's gonna involve going outside and grabbing some supplies. We're gonna need a branch and some rocks and some pine cones and a jar. And there's gonna be some glitter too. Let's get started. For this craft, we collected some fun supplies. A branch, some pine cones, some rocks. We used an old spaghetti sauce jar and some glue and glitter and a little bit of yarn. The girls had so much fun doing this craft. We took the pine cones, dipped them in the glue, and then dipped them into the glitter. Another way you can do it is just to dip them in colored paint. Once the girls had added all the glitter they wanted on their pine cones, they found a spot to hang them on the tree. The glue took a little while to dry, but soon enough we had a beautiful Easter spring tabletop. I would love to see what you guys come up with. I hope you have a great week. See you next time. Bye.